Students, welcome to our online classes. Now today I will start history chapter 1. In this chapter we shall trace how and when the society of middle age moved into the modern era. Many changes took place in this period. The process of change in Asia and Europe began sometimes from the 14th century, that is 1300 CE, and continued till 1750 CE. Here CE means when whole world adopt a common method of keeping time and date. It is called common era. In this pre-model age, many revolutionary changes occurred in Asia and Europe countries. In this age, Industrial Revolution, France Revolution, religion, politics, art, commerce, trade saw many changes during this 450 years. The development mainly occurred in Asian countries under this India, Iraq, Iran, Turkey, and in European countries Italy, Holland, France, England are lead to economic and political revolution. Cultural, religious and intellectual changes took place. So student, I shall take one by one topic how changes take place. About this, our first topic is the different facts of change. Under this, we can discuss about trade and urbanization. Second number is centralized state, and third is emergence of middle classes. स्टूडेंट्स, इस लेसन में हम लोग 1300 CE से 1800 CE के बीच जो परिवर्तन हुए, कैसे मिडिल एज धीरे धीरे मॉडर्न एज में बदल गया, यह वह समय था जब पूरे वर्ल्ड में क्रांतिकारी बदलाव आया. इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, अर्बनाइजेशन, नए नए सिटीज़ डेवलप हुए, व्यापार में वृद्धि हुई, मिडिल क्लास की उत्पत्ति हुई और बहुत कुछ हम सब वन बाय वन समझेंगे. पहले इस समय ट्रेड और अर्बनाइजेशन पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ा और उसका कैसे विकास हुआ, इसकी शुरुआत सबसे पहले यूरोप से हुई. ट्रेड एंड अर्बनाइजेशन. ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड trade expanded rapidly between Europe and Asia. Different kinds of goods being traded, it also led the growth of cities. New cities born and older cities were expanded. People traveled different cities to exchange and spread of new ideas and technologies. In Europe, Geneva and Florence in Italy and Flanders in Holland, etc. In India, big cities like Surat, Agra, Vijayanagaram are also developed. Now we will discuss centralized state. This was the time when many powerful kingdoms were established. Just like in India, we had the Vijayanagaram Empire and Mughal dynasty. Iran had the Safavid Empire. In this period, many strong kingdoms were established in France, Spain, England, and so on. These kings were all very ambitious, so that they kept control over their kingdom. So, power, wealth, and authority gradually began to get centralized because economic and political power was centralized in the king's hand. Now we will see the emergence of middle class. The expansion of trade and growth of cities led to one important change, the emerge of a new middle class. It consists of merchants, rich artisans, accountants, clerks, lawyers, professional artists, poet, writer, and so on. New kind of jobs being created. For example, bookkeeping and accountancy, administration, tax collection, judicial, etc. People doing this job became part of the middle class. Education played a big role in shaping them. In Europe, education meant studying Greek and Latin classics, while in India it meant studying Persian and Sanskrit classics. The Greek text of Aristotle and Plato and Indian classics such as Panchatantra and the mathematical treatises were translated into many different languages. During the reign of the Mughals in India, many Sanskrit classics such as Ramayana, Mahabharata, Upanishad, etc. were translated into Arabic and Persians. Okay, students, I will continue this chapter in next class. Thank you and bye. Take care.